Good afternoon, friend. Myself is Rohit Amal Kokate, and today's technical topic is signal detection. So, first we will see what is a detection. So, detection, what is a signal? So, the signal is a new or previously unknown safety informations. Means a signal, it is a new, unknown, and a safety information. So the definition of the signal is informations or the periodic causal association between the adverse drug events and a drug, the relationship between a unclear or incompletely documented previously, that is called as the signature that is called as the signal. So what is the signal detection? There are the various steps are involved in a signal detection, that is a signal detection, signal validation, signal polarization, signal assessment, and recommendation of the action. So the signal it is an reported informations on a possible causal relationship between unknown or incompletely documented previously. Okay, usually more than one report is required for a generate a signals. Means a signals is generated only after a one signal can be reported. Means a one report can be reported. So a signal, so the signal it is a reported informations on a possible causal relationship between the adverse drug events or the drug. The relationship is unknown or incompletely documented previously. A signal is evaluated associated, that is a constitutionally important to the further. So the it is analysis can a causality, frequency, specificity, and determinations of the health convenience, means individuals incompletes outcome to the social costs. So what is the signal validation? A signal validation is help to determine is further analysis and monitoring a request requires onto the detected signals. Validations can be performed the post experience supporting documentations and depending the clinical relevance of the signal. The signal validation it is a previous awareness, strength of the evidence, clinical relevance, context, and an addition source of the validation. So what is the signal purifications? The every organization should consider throughout a signal management process where there a signal suggested risk with and the health improvement impact on the public health or the benefit between the medical product. Then we will signal what is the signal evaluation. The signal evaluation is performed to the check the evidence of the causal association between and adverse events or the medical product. The signals evaluations step consist of through medical assessment, safety, and signal using all relevant information. Then a signal evaluations, then the risk management system. What is the risk management system? Then what is the signal evaluations? Before a signals are published, they are firstly clinically assessed by the pharmacovigilance experts at a UMC, means Uppsala Monitoring Center, Sweden. So then we will see what is the signal generation, how the signals is generated. There are the signal generated by a clinical phase. Clinical phase means phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. Then spontaneous reporting and purifications events of the monitoring. Then practical studies and case control studies, cross sectional studies, cohort studies, and meta analysis. That is a signal detections. Usually more than a signals is reported is required to generate a signals, depending on a seriousness of the events and quality of the informations. As a signal are discovered, they must be analyzed to determine where they represent a potential safety of the risk, and this analysis is can that is the signal validation, signal proposition, signal evaluations. Then signal evaluation is by two way, that is the signal confirmed as a risk and a signal is refutes. The weight of the evidence is sufficient to support the signals, that is the signals evaluations. And then the last step is the signal management. Thank you.